to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are returning, then you know what it is. But yeah, so today I wanted to bring y'all a video. Like, it's a quick video, nothing long. So basically I've been wanting a wig, and specifically a headband wig. However, I am in college and I cannot afford to buy a headband wig right now at this moment because I don't have a job. I am a student athlete, so I don't really have time for much. So yeah, I had a little idea about how I could just finesse a headband wig. So as you can see right now, my hair are in twists, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this down. But before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel right now so you can keep on getting my videos. And make sure you turn on your post notification bell right now. So the first thing I'm gonna do to like kind of prep my hair is basically just take my hair in 2 ponytails just like this and make sure it's kind of taut. You hold your hair kind of taut so that it doesn't spring back up into like out of this ponytail, because you want it to lay kind of flat. And since I'm going to be putting on a stocking cap, I want to make sure it's flat so that like my wig doesn't look rumply. So yeah, I'm just gonna crisscross this. And next thing we're gonna do, we take our little stocking cap like this. And you see my hair back looking kind of flat. Okay, make sure it's not too tight in the back because mine is definitely a little tight. So next I am going to take my wig cap is inside out right now. I'm going to take my hair, actually I'm going to take my hair and fold it over one another, so it's going to be laying in the stocking cap like this. I'm going to take the inside of my stocking cap and hold the back of my hair while I pull the stocking cap over the rest of my hair, as so. And I'm not pulling my stocking cap all the way up because, as I specified before, this is going to be a headband wig, okay? And since my hair is in its natural state, I'm going to be using my kinky straight wig for this style. So I have it right here. How it's looking right now. It has like a little curl in it, so it's simple. It's pretty simple. So yeah, next we're gonna take our wig and you're gonna make sure either you have a band in there or you have the clips in there as tight as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip the bands of my wig into the middle part, into the middle section where they're closest to each other, just like that. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my wig. Oh, no wait. Next, I'm gonna be applying my wig grip. And if you haven't heard of wig grip is actually one of the best things that you can invest in. And I got mine from Amazon. So wig grip is actually very good. Like, y'all, if the wig was all the way on my head, like, you can't snatch it off. But even if I put it on like this, it's gonna be hard to pull this wig off or for it to come off. So I'm just gonna put my wig on now, laying it on top of the wig grip, making sure this part is pulled up. And then I'm gonna push my hair into the back. And I'm gonna pull this part of the wig up a bit. Okay, it looks kind of crazy right now, so don't roast me. It's up a little bit too far. You don't want it to be up too far because you want to be able to put that headband on. So next I'm going to take this scrunchie and put the hair out of the way just so I can like manage everything better. It looks funny right now, but y'all just wait. So make sure you pull the back of the wig down pretty good because you don't want to have any extra space in there. next I'm going to take 3 or 4 bobby pins just to help secure the wig in the front. So moving this hair out of the way, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tuck the edges of the hair kind of back, and I have twisted my hair already, so it'll be easy to secure the wig because I have those twists or whatever y'all choose to put in y'all hair. Or if y'all just don't feel like taking y'all twists out like me to do a wig like this, then you can do it like this. And the bobby clips are not hurting my hair or anything like that. So I'm just securing it up top and on the side. Because I don't want this hanging out. So I'm putting it right there. Alright, now that we have that secured down, I'm going to take a headscarf. And a lot of y'all have seen me with this headscarf before. I use this on a lot of my tutorials to like lay my wigs down. So I'm gonna take my scarf and fold it in half, like in this triangle form, like this. And then you're gonna roll it until you can't, until it's like not big like a flag anymore. So you kind of like roll it like a bandana. Alright, so this is kind of how it should look if you rolled it correctly. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the scarf behind my head like this. And then tie it at the front. You can either choose to tie it or just wrap it. So we see how that looks right now. Let me pull this side back a little. I want my ears to be out. And then I'm gonna take it back behind my head, just so that there's no extra scarf left over. Okay, so without even like doing anything else to it, no edges, no nothing, this is how we're looking right now. It kind of just looks like my edges are starting to, like if I had a blowout, my edges are starting to revert. That's what it looks like. If you were to actually look at it, that's what it looks like. And so taking it out of the ponytail, this is what we have. And I kind of make sure to line the part up with my part so that it looks natural. Like you don't want it to look crazy. So now I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and kind of just fluff it out a little bit. You can even kind of comb that part out because you really don't need a defined part. Just comb it backwards. Make sure the hair is not stuck in those bobby pins that you put down. Just like that. Make it look a little neat, but not too neat, because this is a headband wig style. So you want it to look relaxed, just like your hair does in the front. So this is what we're looking like. Now, if I chose to do something with my edges, you can take some Hicks, or you can take some Eco Styler, or you can take what else? You can take, what is it called? Edges as edges or something like that. And you basically can like just clean up your edges a little bit, but my edges really don't look bad, so I'm not gonna add any extra product to my hair that I don't need, because I do still have twists in my hair, and I'm not like trying to wash my hair right now because I just put these in. So it's just a personal preference. If you wanna do that, you can do that, but I'm not doing that. But yeah, this is what we're looking like. I'm gonna sit back a little bit so And my hair does not look puffy at all because this is already kinky straight hair, so it looks very natural right now. If you want to, you can, because I don't want this too far up because I want a lot of my hair to show right here. So you can pull that back a little bit more to make it look even more natural. So yeah, this was an easy video. If y'all want to make your own headband wig, then go for it, because like we're still in a crisis right now with the pandemic and not everybody got money to buy a new wig. I know I don't. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully this video helped you, because baby, do not be out here spending extra money when you can save it and make your own little, you know, contraption, put together, whatever. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. By the way, make sure y'all check out my Instagram, because I recently made a reel with the "This Is My Age" song. So yeah, it's pretty good, so check it out. I'm gonna link my Instagram down below in the description box. See y'all later.